So remember, for 2013, it's not about us. It's about all of us. It's about service. It's about unity. It's about spiritus unity.
Next, we will have Amberly AC from the Amberly and Austin campaign. All right.
The library is the only building on campus without a vending machine. Imagine what campus would be like if it was all like the library. No vending machines, no food, no snacks between classes. Cold, empty, dark, desolate. But you know what? It doesn't have to be that way. Vote for Amberly and Austin. We'll put a vending machine in the library.
And now to hear from our final candidate.
I believe the real issue here is really about the BYU NASA program and colonization of the moon. We have 3 universities. BYU Moon is going to be the 4th.